Welcome back to the future, where AI has taken personalization to a level that would make even a bespoken tailor envious. Let's examine how AI is tailoring our digital experiences with the precision of a master craftsman. AI, your personal entertainment guru. Streaming services are not just throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks. They're using sophisticated algorithms to predict which spaghetti you prefer, angel hair or fettuccine. It's like having a psychic friend who knows you're in the mood for a space opera before you do. And when it comes to music, AI's like that cool friend who introduces you to bands before they're cool, making you the trendsetter at parties. Shopping with an AI stylist. Online shopping with AI is like playing a game of Guess Who, but instead of faces, it's your fashion scene on the line. AI remembers that you looked at those boots 5 times yesterday and gently nudges you with a discount today. It's like having a personal shopper who doesn't judge your closet, but instead fills it with things you actually like. The secret sauce: machine learning. Machine learning is the chef in the kitchen of personalization, mixing ingredients of your past choices, current trends, and even what you paused to look at but didn't buy. It's constantly tasting the broth of your digital footprint, seasoning it to perfection so that every digital experience is just to your liking. Privacy, the elephant in the room. Now about privacy. AI may know you well, but it's not gossiping about your choices over the digital fence. Companies are working hard to keep your data under lock and key, treating it like the secret recipe to their success, which, in a way, it is. They understand that trust is the main ingredient in the personalization stew. The future is personalized. In the grand tapestry of technology, AI personalization is the thread that's starting to stand out. It's weaving a pattern that's unique to each user, creating a digital experience that's as comfortable as your favorite sweater and as exciting as a mystery novel where you're both the detective and the author. So there you have it, the story of how AI is changing the game by making everything about you, even when it's about everyone. It's the dawn of a new era where technology doesn't just serve, it understands. And as we march forward, let's enjoy the personalization journey, one tailored digital experience at a time. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember, the next time your device suggests something uncannily perfect, it's not magic. It's AI, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make your digital life a little bit brighter. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.